All right, welcome back. In our last video, I briefly talked about search functionality and focused on just the search for the end user. I didn't really talk about search as in the user finding it in the first place on Google search. That would be like your SEO plugin. So the search option within the website search is also related to your SEO. I'll cover that in another video, but for now, in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about marketing. This might not be that obvious when we first think about building our brand, building our website. What I've learned over the years is you need to be able to organize your marketing assets in a way where you can share your pages easily. So that's just one aspect of your marketing. And then the other aspect of marketing could be, in this case, let's say I am an affiliate of Elementor. I don't want to be like just an affiliate marketer, but as I create relationships with other businesses that support my overall business, that might be a service that is of interest to other users. So let's say you are a coach consultant and you're using some software like an automation tool or your invoicing tool. Maybe you want to recommend that to your clients, and it doesn't hurt to be an affiliate of that. Or if you're using, let's say, MailChimp for your marketing, maybe you tell your clients, hey, I use MailChimp, and if you're interested, you should use MailChimp, and here's my link. So as long as you're using it, as long as you're comfortable promoting that product or service, you need to organize all of that. And in this case, I'm going to show you a plugin called BetterLinks. So let's go to installed plugins, and we're going to search for BetterLinks. That's the one. Shorten, track, and manage any URL. We're going to install that. Obviously, there's the free version and then the paid version. We'll stick with the free for now. Activating that, and let's go over to BetterLinks. So this is really simple. So let's say I was promoting Elementor, and this is going to be sending the traffic over to, and obviously UTM parameters and all of that. Don't need to get into that. By default, it creates this Go Elementor. I'm just going to publish it. So now, within your website, within your brand, we can copy that link, and I'm going to paste it here so that you can see. So here's my domain name, WP Go Elementor. I'm going to click on that. Now that visited that website. So now if I go refresh this page, it will show you like this link was clicked so many times. Analytics, let's see if it captured that just yet. Just making things more organized for your business. It doesn't have to be just an affiliate link. This could be a page that you promote on social media from your blog post, and you want to track. Obviously, you want to have Google Analytics for it, but a much easier way would be to have analytics here and just say, hey, this was an important page for me, and I think this might take a little while for it to register the link clicks. Being able to manage your marketing using a tool like this. So this is just one part of it. Like if you were talking about creating a funnel for your website, for your lead magnet, you would have that fall into your marketing piece. Maybe you're familiar with services like ClickFunnels or other funnel building software. Again, you could do all of that with what we have right now, like just with Elementor and the landing page functionality that Elementor has. So like you have landing pages right here. So you can get by with what we have right here to build that marketing piece of your business. That's what I wanted to convey. So again, depending on your needs, I think this is a good plugin just to be aware of, just to start organizing some of the businesses that you're working with. It's a good idea to have that as a foundation at the very beginning rather than try to put something together later on. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next. Again, if you like what you see, this added some value to you, please do hit that like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.